Hello, welcome to a CapCut tutorial on how to add a font. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, that I'd really appreciate it. Now, you can get any of your system fonts pretty easily. When you add any sort of text and you click on it, over here in the basic information tab, it'll say your font, and you can actually see there's some recently used, the presets, and the system fonts. If you click on the system fonts, you'll see all the fonts that are in your system that you've downloaded before, and these are going to be automatically added to your CapCut. Now, if you want to know how to add a new font, let's just say we go to the fonts or just any of the main font places. We'll go ahead and just pick out any sort of font. Let's go to this one right here. So you'll just download the font, go into your files like so. When the font is done, right click it, extract all, extract, click on the font, and then install it into your computer. And now the next time that you open CapCut, that font should go ahead and be in the system fonts. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and put them down below. But other than that, it's been a CapCut tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful